Hello friends, welcome to Study IQ. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic regarding B777 aircraft incident in United States of America. A United Airlines aircraft B777, it suffered an engine failure as soon as it took off. So we are going to talk about this particular incident and what is the aftermath of this particular incident. Was there any danger? Was there any loss of lives? What action is the United States administration taking on this particular incident? And finally, a very, very important question for all the flyers in India. Are we in danger, right? Because if there is a Boeing 777 aircraft, then we also have some Boeing 777 aircrafts in India. Although if we talk about the aircrafts in India, majority of them are Airbus, but still we do have some B777 aircrafts. So the question that are we in danger, are the flyers in India in danger, that will also be answered at the end of this discussion. So let's begin. But before that, I am your friend Rahul Saigonkar and you can follow me on the given IDs here. Apart from that, those who are preparing for UPSC 2021, they have a good news. We have a smart course for UPSC 2021. For more information, please download the app from Google Play Store and don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe our channel Study IQ. Right, let's talk about the incident. Now, recently what happened in USA, in the state of Colorado, right? A Boeing 777 aircraft, which was being operated by United Airlines, after taking off, it immediately experienced an engine failure, right? And after this engine failure, there was a lot of debris from the engine, especially the cover of the engine. It broke and the debris started to fall from skies. You can see the images here. A lot of debris has fallen in the populated areas in Denver. So imagine that you're simply standing and all of a sudden some sort of metal is falling from the sky. What would be the situation of the people down there, right? Something like that did happen. It's a true incident, right? Now, let me show you some real-time pictures of this particular incident. Now, this is one of the pictures, real-time what happened. One of the passengers inside the aircraft, he did make a video. In fact, that video is available on Twitter where you can see the entire this engine fire incident, right? So this was such a horrific incident. People sitting inside, they have given a lot of interviews, a lot of reports have come up. What was the situation of the passengers? Now imagine sitting in such a plane and watching the engine burn up like this, right? So what would be the situation of those passengers? There are many people who said that they were actually holding each other's hands and were praying to God that they would be safe. So what exactly happened after this incident? Now, if we talk about the incident, the plane did suffer engine failure, but they did manage to safely land and save all the passengers. Now, what was the plane? The plane was a 26-year-old Boeing 777-200 plane, which was on its way from Denver, Colorado to Honolulu in Hawaii, right? So as soon as the plane took off, it suffered a partial engine failure and the engine's cowl or the engine's cover, it started to break apart and the debris started to fall all over the suburban region of Denver in Colorado. As soon as the pilot saw this, there was an emergency alert and the pilots, they did manage to land the plane back into Denver, Colorado very safely. All the crew members are safe. All the 231 passengers on board are safe and at the Denver International Airport. So nothing did happen. But after this particular incident, what was the action or what happened after the incident is that the United States Federal Aviation Administration, it has now started to look into this particular incident, especially regarding the B777 aircraft. What the FAA has ordered is an investigation immediately into the B777A aircrafts, why exactly this happened. And in fact, they have stopped the operation of all the B777 aircraft with a particular type of engine, because in this flight there was a particular type of engine. So for pending further investigation, no B777 flight with that particular engine is going to fly. Again, remember that the cause of the incident is yet to be ascertained, but despite that, immediate action has been taken that all the flights with that particular engine have been stopped. What was that plane and what was that engine? As I mentioned, B777 or Boeing 777 plane, which was equipped with a one type of engine, Pratt & Whitney PW4000 engines. Now, although investigation is still pending, but based on the initial information, the FAA does believe that it is a problem specifically with Pratt & Whitney engines, Pratt & Whitney 4000 engines, which was there in this Boeing 777 plane. They are inspecting the hollow blades of PW4000 engine, which is unique to this particular plane, right? All the flights with this particular engine, Pratt & Whitney 4000 engines, have been halted. There would be no operation of these particular planes. All the other planes are operating very normally, right? Now, What exactly happened after the incident? As I mentioned, United States have removed all the 24 Boeing 777 planes which are powered by this particular engine from service. Now, let's come to the question which is very important for us. As I told you, at the end of the discussion, we will talk about India. We will talk about the air passengers or the air travelers in India, because we also have some Boeing 777 aircraft. Now, if you look at India, we have Boeing 777, but remember, we do not have any Boeing 777 with the Pratt & Whitney 4000 engine. So in India, Boeing 777 aircrafts are there, which are majorly operated by the government of India's Air India aircraft carrier. However, whatever engines we do have, they are Boeing 777, which are powered not by the Pratt & Whitney company engines, but by General Electric's GE90 engines. So there is no concern regarding this particular engine, right? So for Indian flyers, there is no problem. There's no tension. In fact, if you look at India, the Air India also operates all the high-end aircraft. For instance, for the dignitaries, for the Prime Minister, etc. There also we do have some Boeing 777 airplanes. But again, all of them are with different kind of an engine and not the kind of the engine where the incident has taken place. Now, is it only a problem for United States? We talked about India. So in India, there is no problem. But there are many areas where Boeing 777 aircraft are being used. For instance, the Pratt & Whitney 4000 series engine, it is prominent in United States, where I told you 24 aircrafts have been halted. They are very prominent in Japan and South Korea also, right? So in Japan, Japanese government has also asked 32 aircraft with this Pratt & Whitney engines to halt operations till the investigation is pending. So it has impacted not just United States, but other countries also. Now, in India, there is no huge impact, but because as I mentioned, we have a General Electric GE90 engines, or we do have other aircraft. For instance, majority of the aircraft carriers, these days, they use the huge Airbus aircrafts, which are quite safe. So the incident that took place in United States, it does not have any bearing on Indian aircraft industry or Indian air industry. But let's hope the investigation does take place by FAA and a clearer picture comes on this Boeing 777 aircraft, so that people are safe, because the aircraft accidents, they are quite horrific. Saving lives there becomes quite impossible if an incident takes place at that high altitude. So that is why it becomes imperative that aircraft safety is of utmost importance anywhere, be it India, be it United States, be it Japan, or be it South Korea, in any part of the world. Aircraft safety is of extreme importance. That is it from my side on this part of discussion. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.